Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Ivory Beauty Secret.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So, sabon yata ito guys, hindi ko alam. So, i-unbox natin guys kung legit seller or hindi.
A few moments later.
So guys, si seller legit. Pabango pala guys, Poison. Tapos meron siyang kasamang avocado compound acid bubble mask. So, legit si seller guys. Thank you for watching.